Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Clicks. If you are new here, I'm Augustus Philip, and this channel is all about helping you succeed online with practical how-to guides. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of publishing a Kindle Ebook and paperback on Amazon KDP step by step. Whether you are a seasoned author or just getting started, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get your books out there and into the hands of readers worldwide. Please remember to subscribe to this channel to encourage me. Thank you very much. Let's dive right in. Okay, so I've already logged into the site Amazon KDP. By this time, I expect that all what you need is available, and that is what I normally do. That is how I normally do it. I get everything I will need available, so I won't waste time publishing my book. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to click on create. Okay, you can start with publishing anyone, but want to start with publishing the ebook, so you click on create ebook. Okay, the book title, so I'll just copy everything and be pasting because everything has been made available. I've prepared everything already, so it's just for me to copy them and be pasting. Okay, subtitle is optional, but I want to fill that, and I also encourage you to do same for your own because it actually helps your book to be visible online. Okay, you don't have this one, Amazon will give it to you, so just leave that. Author's name, last name. Okay, this is book description. This is what will help your book stand out. If you are going to be making sale, this is going to contribute a lot to it, so you have to make sure your book description is powerful. Okay, and after which I normally post this using source. Look at source code here. If you want to do that, you can create this source with Kindle Premium. Okay, and if you need a video on how to convert your book description into source code, please let me know in the comment section. I will do a video on that. Okay, I've already done my own here. I'm just going to copy it and paste. So you just tap on source and paste your code. Have you seen the way it is? And tap on source again and everything is up. Okay, so look at the way it appears. Okay, everything has been well formatted. We've seen that everything has been well formatted. Okay, so let's proceed. Publishing rights, you own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights. Okay, primary audience, sexually explicit image or title. Does the book's cover or interior contain sexually explicit images? No, it doesn't. Book categories. This is another area that if you make mistake, Amazon may block your book, so you need to do this the right way. Okay, so you choose your book category, select one. Okay, you have to add 3 categories. Okay, so that's the 3 categories you will need. So you save category, right? The next thing is for you to fill in your keywords. Okay, these your keywords will help your book to be visible to customers, okay, to potential customers. So if you have a good keyword, your book will appear on the first page of Amazon. So I've already gotten my own with my own tools, so it's just for me to copy them and paste. If you need to know how to get the right keywords for your book, please join my channel. Link is in the description section of this video. Alright, so this is your 7 back-end keyword. With this keyword, if you get the right keyword, your book will always be the first page of Amazon. If you want to learn how to do this to get the right keywords for your book, please join my channel. Please do well to like this video and subscribe. Okay, pre-order, no, you are publishing right now, so we save and continue. Okay, so it's time for us to upload your manuscript. Now you can publish your Kindle ebook with PDF format. You can convert your PDF to KPF. Okay, if you don't want to convert, you can publish with PDF format, no problems with that. And if you want to convert, you use Kindle Crate to do that. If you will need a video on how to do that, please do well to let me know in the comment section. You can as well join my channel. You'll get to know more about this. I've converted my own and I will upload the file here. The file extension name is .kpf. Upload successful. For your Kindle ebook, the cover design format is JPEG. Okay, I've already designed that. If you also want to learn how to design a very captivating and attractive cover, please do well to join my channel. You don't need to launch this, you've already designed your own, so you click on this one to upload your own that you have designed. Okay, so upload. AI generated content, I use AI, so I'll accept that. Next thing is save and continue. Okay, I want to enroll my book in KDP Select all territories. This is pricing. This is how much royalty will come to you, the percentage of the royalty that will come to you. So you can choose 70%. Okay, I've checked my pricing and I want to leave this book at 3.99. Okay, so at this point is publish your Kindle ebook. It takes up to 72 hours for your title to be available for purchase on Amazon. Alright, so we'll just publish your Kindle. Good. And that is it. Your Kindle is being published successfully. Okay. Now you can start your paperback now, and that is what I want us to do together. Okay. Okay, so all here, book title is the same thing, subtitle, the author name, same thing, description is the same thing. Okay, this category will now choose the category. Okay, so just make sure you choose the right category for your books. Alright, our keywords are still there. Just go to release date now, save and continue. You don't have ISBN, so you just say assign it. Print is black and white interior with white paper. That's the print option. This is the size we are going to be using, 6 by 9 inches. That's what we are going to be using. That is it. So you just upload your manuscript. Mine is available, so I just want to upload it in PDF. Can be in everything goes right, if you did everything correctly, you will see your book live. But if you do not do it correctly, your book may get blocked. For this one, we expect that it will go through. Okay guys, let's see what we published on the 20th of August. Okay, so I've already logged into the account, and this is the account. So I'll just scroll down and boom,
wow,
voila, you can see that the paperback is live using the Kindle Ebook. So that means we did the right thing. Okay, please give us a thumbs up on this video, and guys, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel for more updates. So we'll be waiting for the ebook version to go live, and we'll come back here. Thank you. Okay guys, the Kindle ebook has gone live now. So you can see it here. See the date, 23rd.
wow.
August. The other one was yesterday, 22nd August. Okay, so that is it. That means we did the correct thing, we did the right thing, and the book is live. So please give us a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to this channel, and let's learn from each other. Thank you. See you in the next video.